Hi, Miranda Taylor here. I'm in Intro to Statistics with Jack Dag at the 8 a.m. class, and I'm here today to talk about weather. So, we're going to take a city like Tallahassee, Florida, and we're going to tally up all the days of forecasted and actual rain and no rain. And we're going to see on what percent of the days did it actually rain. Here's the forecast between rain and no rain and actual rain and no rain. There's 31 days of actual rain with the forecast of rain, with 8 days of actual rain when there was predicted to be no rain, and 60 days where there was forecast of rain but there was actually no rain, and there was no rain forecasted and no rain that actually happened. Okay. We're going to start by finding the number of days that it actually rained. The number of days that it actually rained is the sum of the entries in the column titled Rain. So predicted rain and actual rain plus no predicted rain and actual rain, which would be 31 and 8 equals 39. Next, to find the percent of the rain days, we're going to take the number of rainy days over the total days in the year times 100 to give us the percentage of the days that it actually rained that were forecasted. 39 was the actual rain over 365 times 100 is approximately equal to 10.79%. Okay. Next we want to know is on what percent of days was rain predicted throughout the year. So, we're going to start by finding the number of days for which rain was predicted, which is the sum of the entries in the row titled Forecasted Rain. Predicted rain and actual rain plus predicted rain and no actual rain would be 31 and 60. 31 plus 60 is 91. Next, we want to know how to get the percentage. So days that it rained was predicted over total days in the year times 100. There was 39 over a year's total. 365 times 100 is approximately equal to 24.9%. Okay, what if we want to know the percent of time was the forecast correct over the course of the entire year? So, we're going to start by finding the number of days for which the forecast was correct. The number of days the forecast was correct is the sum of the number of rainy days for which rain was forecasted, plus the number of days of no rain for which no rain was forecasted. Predicted rain and actual rain plus not predicted rain and no actual rain would be 31 plus 266 equals 297. Next, we're going to find the percentage of the forecast that was correct throughout the year. We're going to take the number of days the forecast was correct, which would be 297, over the total days in the year times 100, which would be 365, times 100 equals 81.49 approximate. To see evidence of an association between the type of weather and the ability of forecasters to make an accurate prediction, we're going to look at the rainy days forecasted accurately and use the same methods as we had in the previous. We're going to start by finding the percentage of the time rainy days were forecasted accurately. We're going to start by days it did not rain, it was not predicted, over days it rained, times 100. 31 over 39 that was previously calculated times 100 is approximately equal to 79.5.
1.
Next, we're going to find the percentage of the days with no rain were accurately forecasted. We're going to take days it rained and was predicted, 60 and 266, over days it did not rain, times 100. 60 plus 266 equals 326. We're going to take 266 over 326 times 100, which is approximately equal to 81.4%. Okay.
1.
The bar graph here is a summary of all the data. The green bar is for rainy days correctly forecasted. The purple bar is for rainy days incorrectly forecasted. The orange bar shows rainy days correctly forecasted, or no rainy days correctly forecasted. And the blue bar shows no rainy days incorrectly forecasted. When the values of one variable are close for all values of another variable, we say that there is no association between the variables. Concluding, in this, we're going to say that Tallahassee, Florida, has an association between the type of weather being forecasted and the accuracy of the forecast. We're good. Okay.